Hello dear my friend. In this video I will guide you how to reset IMOU NVR. Way 1. If we remember the NVR password. Log in into the NVR. Select operation. Select system maintain. And select default. We can reset any one function or factory default. Click factory default. And click OK. Enter the NVR password. Click OK to factory default. Wait a moment for reboot. Now NVR is at default status. Way 2. Hard reset. Remove the cover of the NVR. We can see there are 4 pins here. It is a reset button, but not built in. We short circuit these 2 pins. Or they're 2 pins. And here's how to reset the NVR. Short circuit and hold these 2 pins. Connect the power for the NVR. Continuos keep holding these legs for 15 seconds. Hold until you hear a long beep. Now release your hand and wait for the NVR to restart. After starting, the NVR will return to the default state. Good luck to you. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel to help me. Thank you for watching.